This is the BNG7500 gas-powered generator by BN Products USA. This unit is air-cooled with a 16 horsepower engine with a power rating of 7,500 watts. It has an electric and a backup pull start. It can run for over 12 hours at a 50% load or 6 hours at 100% load. This unit has a 6.6 gallon tank and has 4 120 volt GFCI outlets along with a 120 or 240 4-prong twist lock. 20 amps can go to any of these plugs, while this one can go up to 37.5 amps at 240 volts. There is even a 12 volt connection. This BNG 7500 has never flat tires, a fuel gauge, rain covers for the receptacles, and comes with a 1-year or 750-hour warranty. Well, that's a look at the BNG 7500 gas-powered generator. For more information or to find a distributor near you, visit bnproducts.com.